was walking around the neighborhood with my mom, and I could tell she had some shit up on her mind. She turned to me and said, "Mike, don't you wanna meet someone?" I said, "No, I wanna meet everyone. I wanna get drunk with the punks and do bump with the king. I wanna creep down the hall and go to bed with the queen. And when they come for my head, well, I'll be somewhere at sea, singing loud, singing proud. It's good to be free, 'cause I won't waste another day living someone else's way. I wanna be happy, I wanna be free. Fuck what they say, I'm doing me." My mama said, "But Mike, don't you wanna be comfortable?" I said, "No, I don't wanna be comfortable. I wanna be scared out of my head and lost out of my mind. I wanna fall in and out of love a few thousand times. I wanna spend all of my money on my friends and on drugs, and I wanna ride around on a horse and give people hugs. And when I come into town, they'll say, 'Oh shit, there's Mike. There's something wrong with that boy. I swear he just ain't right.' 'Cause I won't waste another day living someone else's way. I wanna be happy, I wanna be free. Fuck what they say, I'm doing me." My mama said, "But Mike, don't you wanna have kids?" "No, I am a kid. And chances are if you go looking, mama, you might find some. 'Cause my pullout game just ain't so hot these days. And if you find them, you tell them daddy said follow no man, follow the God within. They'll be coming for your heart real soon, son. This whole thing is rigged. You're back in the matrix. You gotta find your own way out."
I won't waste another day living someone else's way. I wanna be happy, I wanna be free. Fuck what they say, I'm doing me.